Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing one of your highly requested videos. You guys always ask me to do a skincare video or how I remove my makeup kind of routine. So today I am going to do that. I'm going to show you guys how I remove my makeup. So I just finished filming today. So I am wearing a full face makeup. So this is perfect to show you guys how I remove all my makeup before I start my skincare routine. So if you guys are ready, then let's get started. So first is I'm going to tie my hair and put my headband on. Alright, we are ready. So because I am wearing contact lenses, I'm going to start by removing them first. And then next we'll be taking off my false eyelashes. And the next will be cleansing oil. I am using the Boscia Makeup and Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. And I'm going to use about 2 pumps because I'm wearing full face makeup. It just looks like that. Just warm it up. Wipe it over my face. So with cleansing oil, it removes everything, even your sunscreen. So it's very important that you actually use cleansing oil. I like this one better than using any makeup wipes or makeup remover or like the towel or the makeup eraser. That's very popular because this one doesn't create friction on your face, and this will prevent you from having future wrinkles. Very good for even like sensitive skin because you won't be like scratching the top layer of your skin. This is also safe for oily skin, even if it's oil, because it just breaks down everything like your makeup, any dirt and pollution on your face, even waterproof makeup. So you guys can see, it's basically all gone, even my waterproof eyeliner. So about like few seconds doing that, and then you'll see like your makeup is all melted, then you're ready to cleanse. So you start with dry face first. Put your oil massaged onto your skin until it melts, and then you add water. So just a lukewarm water. So you guys can see, it turns to a milky texture. And then just keep on rinsing it off. And then just pat it dry. Don't rub your skin. So all my makeup is all gone now. So let's say you are wearing something that's more heavy, especially on the eyes, like you're wearing glitters and a lot of eyeshadow. Another way to cleanse it really well is using micellar water, or this one from Fresh. This is the Kombucha Cleansing Treatment. So this works like a micellar water, but at the same time, it is a good treatment for your skin. So what I'll do is I'll grab a cotton round, just add a few drops, and then you just press it onto your eye for a few seconds and then wipe it off. That way you are not rubbing your eyes or creating any friction. And then same thing on the other side, and then just on my lower lashes, get into the tight line. Same thing on the other side, and you'll see there's a little bit there, but not much. I will do the same thing for my face. So just basically like double cleansing. Or you can jump in straight to your waterproof makeup remover, and you can use cotton rounds or even Q-tips so you can really get into the hard to reach areas around your eyes. So that's basically it on removing my makeup. If you guys want to see the rest of my nighttime skincare routine, make sure you comment down below and I will do that on my next video. I hope to see you guys next week. Take care and keep safe.